Hey guys, so tonight for dinner I have these chicken thighs. These were on sale from Sprouts not too long ago. They were $2 off, so I got this for 8 something. So I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I am going to try this Italian style Soffritto seasoning blend. Oops. So I can read it. Oops. See, an aromatic, flavorful blend of crispy onions, sun-dried tomatoes, sea salt, garlic, red peppers, parsley, rosemary, and sage. So I got this from Trader Joe's. When I finally went there, I think it's a new product. Ooh, Ooh, it smells good. So look at that. So Italian Soffritto. So I'm gonna put some avocado. My goodness. I'm gonna put some avocado oil and the chicken thighs in the Ziploc with the Soffritto blend, and I'm gonna let it sit there and keep, moving it around every once in a while so that it can marinate. And we're throwing it on the grill tonight. So there's my chicken thighs in the bag. Pour some avocado oil. Maybe like half cup. Want to get it nice and coated. And then the Soffritto. Just pour it in. So there, I worked it in, get it nice and coated. Just in case it leaks. So I'm gonna leave it there for quite a while. It's only 12:28. Yeah, John's gonna grill these tonight. Today, I'm doing watching the Hunger Game Marathon. I love that trilogy. So I'm watching it on, I think it's Freeform channel tonight, all day. Started at 8:30 this morning. So I'm going to sit my ass on the couch and literally do nothing, treat myself to some potato session, and John could grill this later, and I'll just figure out a side. But that's going to be dinner tonight. My current situation. So a few hours later, I'm still watching Mockingjay. I am making the chicken with these Greek spirals from Trader Joe's. We love these things. It's been so long since we had them. So I have my oven preheated at gonna heat to 375. And then you put them on a tray. About 25-30 minutes, they're done. And I'm going to pan cook the chicken inside the house. I think I'm going to use this non-stick today. This Tefal I got from Costco. Pretty cool. So that's dinner tonight. This smells so good. This Soffritto blend, let me tell you, I bet you it's going to be real tasty. Get some color on these. Nice. Ooh, look at that. Perfecto. So there's dinner. It's ready. Actually, I have more chicken cooking, but those are ready. And some veggie blend with butter. And that's dinner tonight. A nice, quick, and easy meal for Hunger Games marathon. And there it is, plated up. So I tasted a little piece of this chicken, that Italian style Soffritto spice blend from Trader Joe's. Has a little bit of kick to it. Not just, after you eat it, you do taste a little kick, but otherwise it's not hot at all. But that is dinner tonight.